Okay, hi guys. Cool filter, I know. So I've been doing some research and found some household products that were just gonna be thrown away, and I'm gonna make them into little bird feeders for my little creature friends. So this is what I did. I took old toilet paper rolls and put peanut butter on them, and now I'm just gonna roll them. Well, it's easier when you have two hands, but this is the finished product, and then I'm just gonna go put them over a branch, and the birds or whatever animal want to eat it can. And they're Blizzard and Yeti approved.